Namaste. I'm here to talk about biryani. Biryani is a delicious rice dish that is packed with flavor. It's a great dish to make for a special occasion or just to enjoy on a weeknight. There are many different variations of biryani, from the classic Indian style to the more modern fusion versions. No matter what type of biryani you're making, there are a few key ingredients that you'll need to make it. The first is basmati rice. Basmati rice is a long-grain rice that has a nutty flavor and is perfect for biryani. You'll also need some spices like cumin, coriander, and turmeric. These spices give biryani its distinct flavor. The next ingredient you'll need is a protein. You can use chicken, beef, paneer, or even tofu. Whatever you choose, make sure to cut it into small pieces so that it cooks evenly. You'll also need some vegetables like carrots, onions, and peppers. Once you have all of your ingredients, it's time to start cooking. Start by heating some oil in a large pot and add in your spices. Once the spices are fragrant, add in your protein and vegetables and cook until they are lightly browned. Next, add in the basmati rice and stir to combine. Add some water and bring the mixture to a boil. Then reduce the heat and cover the pot. Allow the biryani to simmer for about 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked through. Once the biryani is done cooking, fluff it with a fork and serve it with a side of raita or chutney. Enjoy. Biryani is a delicious dish that is sure to please any crowd. It's a great dish to make for a special occasion or just to enjoy on a weeknight. So why not give it a try? Thanks for watching and I hope you give biryani a try. Happy cooking!